guys, welcome to my very realistic morning routine. So after showering, I like to do my facial routine. So today I'll be using this T-zone mask. It helps to like tighten the pores, it helps to brighten the face too. So I just kind of distribute it evenly on my face. I love the fact that it's very effective. Like I said, you just kind of allow it to sit on your skin for 15 to 10 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I like to apply my soap in this facial sponge that I got from Shein, and I just use this to take it off. So I then go in with my favorite soap of all time. If you watch series of my YouTube video, I'm sure like you already know about this soap. Like the body soap, well, as you all know that I'm currently in the process of fading my chicken pox dark spots, so I use it on my face, extend it to my neck too. After allowing the soap to sit on my face for 2 to 3 minutes, just take it off. So I like to do this to massage it before rinsing it. After taking everything off, then I just go rinse my face. So after rinsing it, this is what we have. So I just proceed just to moisturize my face. Hey, 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 hey.
So these gold eye patches helps to moisturize the face, like reduce puffiness and increase the secretion of collagen. And while the number 7 Hydra Luminous just helps to add more glow to the skin. I love all these products because they are very mild on sensitive skin like mine, and they are very effective too.
With my face moisturizer, like the face cream, and it also contains sunscreen. Like it's very affordable. You can get it in drugstore.
And these are just my typical morning routine, guys. As you can see, I don't do too much. So thank you so much. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Thank you so much.